treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.